Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a street fighting pose, and it is a kicking pose. So if you have your pencils all set, I'm going to do some framework to begin. So there's a lot of foreshortening in this particular pose. Now we have other videos which focus on throwing a kick, and we do recommend that you could check them out, because you might find something that might be useful in terms of drawing a kicking pose. So this is one thigh, and there's the lower leg, and the foot is somewhere here in this particular angle, in this particular pose that we are doing today. So that is the other leg on which the person is balanced, and then we go right back in a steep and short curve, and that's it. We end the body right there. In similar videos we've done a slightly different stance, extended body placement, but this one we are placing everything, really crunching everything together. There's one arm right here and one enlarged fist right here. So it's just a collection of shapes right here. You could just do this, not even, and if you could do an oval here for the foot. Oval just as a guideline for the lower body. Steep arc, shoulder set right here, delt, arm, that elbow could be placed here or here is fine, and a circle for the fist for now. And then the head will most likely be somewhere here. So staring from behind all the apparatus. So let us begin the pen work here by putting down this one thigh. So there's the knee, and we just put out the foot like that. Now, of course, everything depends on what figure, what person, or what character this particular pose is being styled on, but is being based on. But so we're just doing a generic layout here, and there's the other leg. It could be shorter if we need more foreshortening. This could be placed right here, and the shin and calf can be brought higher into the thigh, but that's again depending on what angles we are looking to utilize for this practice. So we go back, and the other thing that is now in the foreground is this fist and arm. So we just lay out a standard arm. We can put in details if we want, and we have a fist going right here, so knuckles right there, and there's a thumb, and the chest is of course right there, and the head, now very natural to have it in this particular setting, right here exactly in this angle, and we just put in, let's say there's a little grimacing going on, and depending on what character we want to style this on, we can put in all sorts of details. Now the other hand, not visible from this angle necessarily, but if you wish to still employ it, we will have to go back a little bit, change the structure here of the pec, and go upward into the delt, and extend that hand backward perhaps, and let's say we do a fist right around there. So that is one way of getting a hand going if we need it. Of course, we'll have to move the structure around and make it fit, or we could have one fist right here and showing close from that angle, but not necessary again. Or we could just have the hand outstretched. I think it's getting a little more convoluted there, so we'll grab a different pen and just have, again, in a very natural setting, extended like that and going upward into the fist like that. So that's the thumb, there's that index finger, and there's the knuckles. So either of those things can work, and of course we can also place this. If we need more foreshortening, we can of course place this even closer to the body from the angle of view, but then we'll have to make everything larger and put a nice big foot right there. So different things that we can accomplish with this. And the head, again, it's recommended it remains in that position because it's looking right past all the kicking structure at the intended opponent. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.